ball pike pull ins. This is an advanced exercise. So we're gonna have Michelle do a beginner version first, a beginner advanced version, and then we're gonna have her do the advanced version. So we'll have Michelle get her ankles up on that ball, walk out into push-up position. Okay, so if you're just starting out with this movement, this ball can be anywhere from under your ankles to under your shins to even under your knees to start. The closer it is to you, the more easy it's going to be, the less difficult it's going to be. So keeping your core nice and tight, the beginner version of this is to just bring your knees right into your chest, sending those hips way up into the sky. Perfect, just like that, and then back. We want to try not to sit back on our heels for this movement. It actually takes the leverage out of it. Instead, we want to hit those hips right up towards the sky. Exhaling up, beautiful. You can stay on the tops of your feet there if you want, Michelle. Good. Exhaling up, beautiful. Now, for those of you who are a little bit more advanced and wants to take this up a notch, we're going to have Michelle do this a few times, keeping her legs straight. So she's going to pike hips up, stay on the top of your feet. Try not to come right up onto your tippy toes there, Michelle. Yeah, there you go. Exhale up. Oh, is that harder? Okay, exhale up. Okay, use your tippy toes. There we go. All right, I do like the way Michelle's looking under and at the ball while she does this. We're gonna have her do one more. Notice her face. She's pushing her hands through. She's using her shoulders and coming up into a full pike. Okay, relax. That, my friends, is a ball pike pull in. Start at the beginner with your knees bent, work your way up to those straight legs. Enjoy.